Now our topic is heating effect of electric current. So to study this topic, I form one circuit that resistance R, voltmeter should be connected with parallel, one ammeter will be there, battery, key, and circuit is completed. So here, if we are having electric bulb instead of this resistance, that electric bulb will be glow because of current flowing all over the circuit. Other things also happen, that electric bulb somehow getting heating up. So it will be heated up. Why? Because all the electricity is not converting into light energy. Somehow that energy will be lost because of heating energy. Is for example, also whenever fan is moving with a longer time, there will be heat energy. If you just touch that fan, you just feel that fan's temperature is little higher than the previous one. Similar for electric bulb when you touch after a longer time, then you feel that that electric bulb having higher temperature than the normal one. So why and how? Because not our 100% electric energy is converting into light energy or mechanical energy. Is for example electric motor. When we use electric motor, it will very heated up, right? So temperature increases, not all the energy, electrical energy is converting into mechanical energy. So that is the loss of energy for us because we don't want heating effect, right? So here, that heating effect of electric current, if I am writing the equation of power which is lost, so power formula, normal formula is W by T, work upon time. So work to be done from this circuit is Q into V, flow of charge into potential difference upon time. So that is Q into V is our work done in the system. So P is equal to Q into V by T. What is Q by T? Q by T is nothing but I. So P is equal to I into V. Now if I want to find heat energy, so heat energy from the circuit, V into I, that we know. So heat energy is equal to power into time, that will be heat energy, that will be our loss of electrical energy. So P is nothing but V into I. Now we can also change this term. Now we are having I is equal to V upon R. So we can also write V square upon R into T. H is equal to, again, if I am writing V is equal to IR, so IR into IT. So I into I square RT. So there will be second equation. Here it is also this equation, and the third equation here we are getting. So total three equations of heating effect from electric circuit, right? So this is how electrical energy will be at loss due to heat energy. Many halogens, right? We are using electricity to on the halogen, but these halogens, that energy somehow will be converted into heating energy also. So we may feel at some far distance, we also feel from the halogen that so much heating produced by that halogen, right? So here, now I want to write unit of this energy. Basically unit of this is heat energy is nothing, so it will be joule. But second unit for that we can write volt ampere second. Also we can write volt square upon ohm into second. Also we can write ampere square ohm into second. So these are, we can use also these units, but its SI unit is joule. Now advantages of this heating effect, so we can use electric iron. We are using electricity to iron the clothes, right? So there, that is the main purpose, that electricity should be converting into heat energy. Electric heater, similar, electricity will be converting into heat energy. So there are some advantages also and disadvantages also. Disadvantage electric motor, we don't want heat energy, but still electric motor can convert electricity into heat energy. Similar electric bulb, that 0 degree bulb, most of electricity will be converting into heat energy in that electric bulb. So some advantages and disadvantages are also there. So that is heating effect of electric current.